So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. You can check out my website for workshops and one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, and you can book the sessions with me if you want to. If you want to connect with me, you can connect. If there is any issue, you can mail me tarotanjali@gmail.com. My team will reply for sure. Now, if you want, okay, we got it. Now let's start. Let's see, Taurus, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see. We have the Ace of Cups. Someone new is around the corner. Someone new or someone who is having a lot of overwhelming feelings for you. They might be developing new kind of energies, new kind of feelings towards you if this is not a new person. Let me clarify. But someone's energies and emotions are opening up to you big time. For you, big time. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. We have the Eight of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah. This is someone who is trying their best to okay, to run away from their feelings as far as they can, and they're not very sure about having a brand new beginning with you. They feel this person is highly confused when it comes to having a beginning with you. So this is somebody who is known to you. Now this person is having lots of overwhelming emotions for you. Their heart is like busting open towards you, but at the same time they feel very overwhelmed with the idea of having a beginning with you, having a connection with you. My goodness, they are trying their best to walk away from their emotions as far as they can, and they feel very confused, very stressed out with the idea of not being able to understand what they should do, because they can't just ignore the feelings all the time. They are there, right? So this is someone who is trying their best to run away from the feelings that they have for you, and they are overwhelming. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Queen of Wands, you're focused on yourself, right? You're focused on yourself, your personality, your growth, your money, your job, your career, your manifestations, your life. It's like you feel like creating your own reality and working on yourself, and you're changing big time. Your looks, your energies, everything is changing. Let me clarify the Queen of Wands here. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles. See, you feel like taking things really very slow in your love and relationship area, to the level of detaching yourself from everything and everyone, and re-evaluating your love and relationship area from a distance. So you feel like creating your own reality, manifesting your own beautiful life for yourself, and then going in that direction very slowly to the level of okay, let's take it like one step in 1 year kind of a deal. You're focused on yourself, basically your growth, your money, your job, your career, your looks, everything about you. You are the center of your own universe right now at this present moment, not focused much on love. That's why maybe the other energy is kind of confused and feeling like, oh my god, what should I do? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Taurus? Two of Wands, their intention is to just wait and watch, meanwhile keeping their options open. They're like, okay, if Taurus is not going to be with me, I should at least have somebody else by my side so that I can rely on that energy. If not Taurus, that's very practical. Let's clarify the Two of Wands as their intentions. We have the Ten of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles. See, yeah, they want to drop this energy of stress, continuously thinking about the situation. This person also wants to work on themselves, their money, their job, their career, their independence, and they want to wait for the time and they will be able to offer you something stable, and or you will be able to connect with them on that level again, meanwhile keeping their backup option ready if by any chance you are going to say no or this is not going to work out. You are not the only option, you are not the only person that they're relying on, honey. Please be aware of this thing. Okay, be very practical about this, because they are, even if this person is having a lot of emotions for you, they are not able to see the clear picture of the future between you and them. That is why they are highly in this energy of, okay, let's keep my options open, because it might or might not work out with Taurus whatsoever, right? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Six of Wands. So from your side, you feel like, again, you should be the center of the universe of your own life. You just want to work on your goals, your money, your job, your career, especially your looks, your energies, your aura, your magnetism. You're not bothered about love and relationship that much. Even if you're married or committed, you're not that much bothered about this area of your life right now. Let me clarify the Six of Wands. We have the Devil, the Nine of Wands, and King of Wands, right? See, you want to keep your guards as up as possible, Taurus, because of the toxicity, negativity, unhealthy pattern, unhealthy experiences you had in this area of your life. You just want to be focused on yourself, and you just want to attract that kind of person towards you who is super focused on themselves, and they can create some kind of compatibility kind of factor in your life. They can add some kind of value in your life. That kind of person you want in your life. Until unless you are going to attract that kind of person in your life, you are just good to go with yourself. You are just focused on yourself. You are super focused on your own energies, your own goals, and you are just working in silence. Oh my god, you have a goal. You are working on a goal. You have an aim, and you're just working on that, not very focused on your relationship area as of now. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December, Taurus. Let's see. Wheel of Fortune. I do see energies flipping, roles getting reversed, everything changing for the better, maybe. Let me clarify the wheel. The Wheel of Fortune is not always a good thing or bad thing. It's like the energies are going to flip, right? Whatever is happening is going to change totally, completely. 180-degree change. Let's see. Okay, I do see somebody putting in the effort and energy in this connection, meanwhile letting go of this energy of not opening up or not expressing too much or not saying or doing too much about the situation. Somebody will start putting in the effort and energy in this direction, understanding that you are not going to do that from your side, so they have to do it from their side. Okay, my goodness. So somebody who's not going to, who is not opening up to you, who is not expressing too much or revealing too much to you, will start expressing themselves to you slowly but steadily, and somebody will start working on this connection with quite serious energies, because they are going to understand that you are not going to do it from your side, so they have to do it from their side. Okay, honey. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Taurus, in the situation. What is the guidance? I'm going to keep the guidance short and sweet. Eight of Pentacles. Okay, honey, the same guidance for you as well. See, if you want, if you feel a person can give you something, somebody that's around you already. I don't see it's a new person, new energy. It's already like already someone around you, and you know this person very well. If you feel you can give them shot, another shot or shot, just do that with all of your heart and soul. Don't do it just for the sake of doing it. If you feel like you can put in the effort and energy in this connection, in this friendship, in this bond, to make this work out on a beautiful level, just do that. But if you feel this is a waste of time, this is a waste of energy, and you should not be wasting any moment of your day on this situation, on this connection, be very clear and honest with the other person here, right? Your clarity, your honesty is going to save two lives, two energies from getting you know distracted. Anyway, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.